Hi guys, what's up? Today we thought of doing something a little more fun, something a little more casual. And we haven't seen the new Batman movie yet, which is, by the way, 3 hours long. So we thought this is the perfect movie to check out at the brand new VIP dine-in cinema experience here at Azul inside CinemaCity. So we're going to do all the paisa vasool possible with the food and the drinks inside for the next 3 hours. So stay tuned.
So guys, we have seen many cinemas in UAE like Vox, Reels and Novo. But this cinema is something different and which offers you the luxurious feel. So we are here to experience that. So let's go.
If you're familiar with Dubai, then you know that parking in downtown is not the easiest thing. This theatre has valet parking, however, it comes with an additional charge of 27 dirhams for your entire trip. But since this place is so close to Dubai Mall, we actually figured out that it's within walking distance from Dubai Mall. As you can see on the map, public is about 6 minutes walk from CinemaCity. We didn't know that when we came, so we gave our car to the valet, but if you are going, make sure to park in Dubai Mall and take the short walk, while also saving 27 dirhams. So reservations, you can do it in a couple of ways. On their website, through WhatsApp, and also directly here at the box office. Since we chose a specific package called the date night package, we confirmed the date and time on WhatsApp and paid here at the counter. We were then taken to the Azul Lounge and Theatre, which is a separate section inside CinemaCity. And this is a contemporary restaurant, a cocktail bar, and the first licensed cinema theatre in Dubai. The menu has lots of options, but mainly focuses on Japanese contemporary cuisine with small bites, sushi rolls. But if that's something that's not your preference, then there's also some wraps and burgers if that's in your comfort zone. And of course, since this is licensed, here's the alcohol menu, which is a wide variety of options. After waiting in the lounge area for a bit, it was almost time for our movie, so we were taken up to the theatre. As you can see, the seats are in pairs, which is perfect for you and your plus one. It's a cozy setting with about 20 or so seats. This is VIP, so the seats come with a call button, your standard cup holders, a lamp by your side. And the best part, these seats recline almost fully so you can be comfortable while watching your movie. Movie's about to start. Like I mentioned, we opted for the date night package and it comes with lots of food and drinks. So we ordered them and they're delivered right to your seat. We got 2 mocktails. And for appetizers, spicy charred edamame and shishito peppers. 2 portions of vegetarian rolls. And of course, no movie is complete without popcorn. There's also a dessert included in the date night package. So we opted for the strawberry cheesecake. No complaints about the food. Everything was really good. And we enjoyed our movie while nibbling on our food and drinks.
So we just got done with the movie. It was quite cold inside, but I think the blankets that they gave was a nice added touch. And we chose the date night package, which was for 300 dirhams, which included the tickets for the movie as well as the food and everything that you saw inside, which in my opinion is super worth it if you want to do this with your significant other. And I think they also have a ladies night package. Make sure to check their Instagram, which we will link down below for any other queries or any other packages that you are interested in. But yeah, I think you should try this experience for yourself because it was super unique for us, with all the food and everything being served to your seat. So yeah, book your next movie here at CinemaCity at the Azul Lounge. If you like this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to us guys if you want to keep up with what's new in Dubai. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!